Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2011 Suzuki GSXR600. Going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's take a close look at the Suzuki. It is HPI clear and does also come with a spare key. So we'll start at the front, we'll work all the way around the bike. It's in a nice gloss black, this one. And as you can see, it's got a brand new tyre on the front as well. That's not been on the road. It's got the Brembo brakes on the front. It's got the R&G fork bungs on the end there. So let's get a look. Get a look at the fairings on this side. Looks like it's got new grips on as well. So it's well looked after bike, this one. You can see it's got the R&G frame protection bungs on as well. So let's get a look at the side of the tank and side of the seat. It's got the protectors on there as well, on the tank, as you can see. And that, I think, is a hair. Yep, it's a hair. Thought there was a crack in the back plastic then, just a hair on it. So let's get a look in at the shock and the chain and the sprocket. You can see it's also got R&G paddock stand bobbins on. So a few R&G bits on there. So what we'll do, we'll get a look over the top of the seat and over the top of the tank. See the protector on there as well. Let's move over to the back of the bike. Get a look at it from behind. It's also got an R&G tail tidy on it. So I'll move around to this right hand side now. Do the same again. Get a look over the side plastics and side of the seat and tank. Just got a couple of light surface scratches just there on the side of the tank. Light surface scratches on them. May even polish out those. Let's get a look at the back end. You see it's got a Yoshimura pipe on it. Carbon fibre tip on that. Looking at the back brake there as well. So let's have a good look all over the plastics on this side. We'll be able to see a bit lower down on this one. Get a good look at the fairing on this side as well. And we'll finish up at the front wheel on this right hand side. What we'll do now, we'll go and take a look up at the dash and we'll get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's get a look at the controls. So you've got your front brake, you've got your throttle, kill switch, then you've got your meter, plus and minus button and your starter on that side. It does have the shower forks as well, so you can adjust on there. Two adjustments on that side and on that side. And you've got your clutch, you've got your hazards, your lights, indicators, horn. You've also got a mode. The mode button on the front there for the flashing of the lights on it. Let's get a look at the mileage. And it's done 29,279. That's your mode button on there for you. On there. Switches it to A and B. On there at the front. Not the pass light. The pass light is there on the front. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close-up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.